Oh, you're welcome, guys. We got to the first location of the day, and it's the suspension bridge in like the middle of a random neighborhood. And we're gonna show you around. Oh my gosh, it moves. They're making this bridge move, and it's pretty scary because it's like a long way down. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I'm not trying to fall. I'm still trying to live the rest of the day.
Hi.
Hello.
We're out here in San Francisco.
Anton, get back on this side.
Hold on, you're right.
Anton! Oh, Anton, are you? This isn't Anton!
It landed!
Anton!
Hey, do a backflip.
Oh my goodness, that's not safe.
Anton, wait.
Anton!
Hi. Hello.
Get back.
I can't. Hi, fam. How are you doing? Moment you realize you done messed up.
Friends who do dumb things together stay together.
Doesn't let me go on vacation with you guys.
Yeah, guys, wait till your parents see this.
They won't. Ready?
Whose man is that?
Ooh. Watch this.
Caught it.
Go! Daniel has some. I would rather do the hanging off the bridge than that. I know, seriously. Because that way you're putting trust in yourself, not others. And most importantly, go out and vote. There's nothing more important you can do than vote. At Bass Pro Shop? I agree. I voted as well.
We just made it to Balboa Park, our second location of the day. Throwing seeds. I'm trying to find the botanical garden or building here. That's what my mission is. I don't know what everybody else's mission is. But let's see what this place has to offer.
Music transition.
So we're out here at Botanical Gardens, bro. You know, we're out lit vibes in San Diego, bro. You know how it goes, man. We're about to hit the waves, bro. Yeah, right after this, bro.
Wow, this is cute. 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 He was a scooter boy.
Technically.
Cool kids joined us on their scooters. Going around Little Italy, like literally we checked out 4 places and we finally found a place to eat and it's super cute. This is the place I wanted to go to first, but none of them wanted to. So cool. Everyone kind of separated while looking for a place to eat, but we got pizza, so we good. What are we doing?
Biking.
We just rented bikes. We're about to take off. They're all electric bikes.
And they're all so cute. Wait,
They're
let me
like,
see.
Oh my goodness. Done with the bike rental, and my battery died on the camera, so I wasn't able to finish, but I'm gonna insert some clips from the iPhone, and we're just waiting for everybody else to pull up and get ice cream. Taking over Alina's vlog. We're just waiting for Anton to finish my cone. And we're gonna go to communal coffee, which I've been literally waiting for the entire week. Look at my eyes. He's done, so now we can go. We're heading over there. Where is he? We're walking to communal coffee now. I think communal. I don't know. Honestly, my pronunciations are so bad.
Anton, did you stall?
But we're walking to communal coffee now. And
Anton, right
a lot
here.
of people didn't want to join us, so their loss, not ours. But yeah.
Oh yeah, Baldy.
What is this? Good afternoon. What? It's day 3. We're kind of just chilling at the house today just because the weather is nice, and Lada and Natalie went to Disneyland and Katie went to Six Flags, so we're just kind of chilling with everybody else. I don't know. So yeah, everyone's just chilling. Little update, what are we doing, Dennis?
Update, we have 3 patties on the
Anton! For David. For Daniel. For David. For Yana. For Alina. For Alina. For David. For Yana. For Alina. For Anita. For Anton. Ashley. No, Anton. I'm fine with that.
So after spending the day at the house, we decided to go out for ice cream, and this is where
Check out her hair.
My hair is like a little bow.
Look at that.
This line is extra long, guys. It's literally out the door. Sherbert, I think. Look at all of our ice creams, guys. This looks delicious.
check your, do you have an online app?
I know, that's where you're gonna finish it.
And if it finish one.